Reinforcement of T sound. T is for T. T, T, T. Ask children to circle the pictures that begin with T. T is for T, T, T. T is for
T for tiger.
No, ऐसे नहीं. T is for T, 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 tiger. T, T, table.
T, tiger. T, igloo.
T, T, table.
T, table.
T, T, tomato.
T, tomato.
T की साउंड कैसे होती है? T is for T. T, T, T. T for tiger.
T for tiger.
T for table.
T for table.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
Now your turn.
T for tiger. T for
T, T for
tiger. T for table. T for tomato.
T, T, T. Not T. This is T. T is for T. T, T, T.
T is for cockroach.
No.
Yeah.
T is for tomato.
T is for tomato.
T is for table.
T is for table.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
Tiger is looking at your mom.
Yeah.
Now your turn. इसमें आपने ये करना है कि इसमें जो ट की साउंड है ना, ट से स्टार्ट होते हैं जो इसमें पिक्चर्स, जो ट की पिक्चर्स हैं वो उन पर सर्कल बनाना है, राइट? जी ज़ायवा, योर टास्क फॉर टुडे इज़ टू encircle the pictures with t sound, right? Let's start. Encircle. We will draw a circle around the picture with t sound, right? Are you getting my point? Encircle. Right. Circle is not so good, but good. Keep it up. Next. This is T is for
Tiger.
T for tiger. Next. This is you will recall the name of the picture. ठीक है? What is the name of this picture?
पता चल गया.
Okay, what is the name of this picture?
Table.
हाँ, T for table.
T for table.
T. Kids, what are we learning about? We are learning about T, sound of T. T is for T, table. Okay, now go towards the next picture. What is the name of the next picture?
Tomato.
What is T, tomato.
T, tomato. Yummy tomato.
Oh wow. This is blue or red?
Red.
Right.
1, 2, 3, go.
Start.
T is for tiger.
T.
T is for
T.
T is for tiger.
Hmm.
T is for table.
Hmm.
T is for tomato.
Tomato or tomato?
T is for tiger. T is for table. T is for tomato.
In English, we call it tomato. What is this? Tomato. बोले टमाटर उर्दू में होता है, उर्दू लैंग्वेज में टमाटर होता है, बट हम इंग्लिश में पढ़ रहे हैं तो अब हम इसको टमाटो बोलेंगे, राइट?
T is for tiger. T is for table. T is for
टोमेटो.
T is for tiger. T is for table. T is for tomato.
ओके, टी की साउंड कैसे होती है? ट ट ट. फिर पढ़ें.
T is for tiger, T is for table, T is for
आप सही नहीं पढ़ रही, हम ऐसे पढ़ेंगे. T is for tiger.
tiger,
T is for table.
table.
T is for tiger. Tomato.
How much
पढ़ो.
T is for tiger. T is for table.
साउंड भी बोलनी है.
T is for tiger.
Hmm.
T is for table. T is for tomato.
Clapping.